We've all been watching the Federal Reserve these past few years, haven't we? The rate hikes, the inflation talk, the constant updates trying to get the economy back on track. But here's the thing, there's a strategy that doesn't care what the Fed does. And if you're in retirement, it could be the one thing standing between you and the eroding value of your hard-earned wealth. Let's be honest, no one can predict what the Fed's going to do next. Whether they raise interest rates again or cut them to stimulate the economy, it can leave you feeling unsure about how to protect your savings. The stock market? It's a gamble. Bonds, low returns. And now inflation is still gnawing away at your purchasing power. So, what do you do when everything feels so uncertain? The answer is simple: a gold IRA. Yes, gold, an asset that has stood the test of time and doesn't rely on what the Fed does. In fact, throughout history, gold has been the ultimate hedge against financial instability. Even during times of high inflation or economic turmoil, gold tends to maintain its value. So when inflation is climbing and interest rates are all over the place, your gold is often doing exactly what it's supposed to do: hold value. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Gold? Isn't that just for people with massive wealth? But here's the thing. Gold IRAs are accessible, and they're designed to protect wealth, whether you have a modest amount or you're looking to safeguard millions. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it's about protecting your future, regardless of how the Fed acts. Here's the real kicker though, and this is what most people don't know. There's a way to do it with no pressure, no gimmicks, and no obligation. I'm talking about a free guide that walks you through exactly how to get started, plus a free consultation with one of our experts to see if a gold IRA is the right fit for you. But here's where I need to be clear. This is for serious American retirees. If you've worked hard to build up your savings in an IRA or 401k, and you're ready to ensure that wealth is protected for the next generation, this guide is for you. We'll take a deep dive into your specific situation, and we won't try to sell you anything that doesn't make sense. When you get your free consultation, we're not going to push a free silver gimmick or try to sell you a load of gold you don't need. This is about one-on-one education, giving you the tools you need to make an informed decision. So, why not take the first step? Click the link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide and set up a no-obligation call. This isn't about just following the latest Fed news, it's about protecting your wealth for the long term. It's about making sure you're doing everything possible to keep your retirement safe, no matter what happens in the economy. Remember, this is only for those who are ready to protect their future. There's no obligation, no pressure, just education that helps you decide what's best for you. So go ahead, take that first step. Your retirement deserves it,